Hello and welcome back to another video from Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a really easy chicken curry recipe that is fantastic, so tasty and really filling. Let's get cooking. And that is it, a really easy chicken curry recipe that can be served with rice and vegetables. Thank you so much for watching, it really does mean a lot. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to keep up to date with new videos, and I will see you in the next one.